Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to remove payment method from Google Play Store. To start this tutorial, open play.google.com in your internet browser over at your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you are here, click on your profile in the upper right. And then you are going to go to Payments and Subscriptions. This one over here with a card icon. Once you're in here, wait for the website to load. Make sure you hover as well to the payment methods. In here, there's an option that says add credit or debit card. In here, I don't have any payment methods attached to my Google Play Store. So in this case, when you add your credit or debit card information once you save it, you will now just return to this very same exact page to remove as well or unlink that payment method from your Google Play Store. It's from here you can remove your card. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.